Plant FAQs. Western Swordfern, Polystichum munitum. Unveiling the Western Swordfern, a gardener's guide to Polystichum munitum. For years, the lush greenery of the Western Swordfern, Polystichum munitum, has graced my garden. Its bold, upright fronds and enduring presence have made it a favorite. But beyond its visual appeal, this fern offers a surprising amount of adaptability and ease of care. Today, I want to share my experiences with this remarkable plant and answer some of the most common questions I've encountered. Can I plant herbs next to Polystichum munitum? Absolutely. The Western sword fern thrives in moist, well-drained soil, conditions that many herbs appreciate as well. In fact, the fern's shade-providing nature can be beneficial for some herbs that prefer indirect sunlight, like parsley, cilantro, and chives. Just be mindful of spacing. Give your herbs enough room to grow without crowding the fern's root system. How to pronounce Polystichum munitum? This botanical name can be a tongue twister. Here's a breakdown. Poly rhymes with holly. Stichum, pronounced Stichum. Munitum, pronounced Munitum. So, the entire name is pronounced Polystichum Munitum. Is Polystichum munitum edible? While some ferns are edible, the Western sword fern is not. Its fronds contain compounds that can cause stomach upset if ingested. It's best to admire its beauty and leave the nibbling to dedicated salad greens. Is Polystichum munitum toxic to pets? The good news is that the Western sword fern is generally considered non-toxic to pets according to the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, ASPCA. However, it's always best to supervise pets around any new plant introduction, just in case of excessive chewing. How to plant Polystichum munitum. This fern is a low-maintenance champion. Here's what you need to know. Light. Prefers part shade to full shade. Soil. Moist, well-drained soil rich in organic matter is ideal. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot weather, to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Fertilizer. A light application of balanced fertilizer in spring can promote healthy growth. Hardiness. Western sword ferns are generally hardy in zones 5 to 8. Propagating Polystichum munitum. Sharing the beauty of this fern is easy. Here are 2 methods for propagation. Spores. This method requires patience, but it's rewarding. Collect mature sorry, brown spots from the underside of fronds and sow them in a moist, sterile medium. Division. Carefully divide established clumps in spring or fall. Ensure each division has a healthy crown and roots. What to plant with Polystichum munitum? The Western sword fern's versatility allows it to shine in various garden settings. Here are some ideas. Shade companions. Hostas, ferns, hellebores, and coral bells create a lush tapestry of texture and color. Woodland edges. Mimic a natural woodland by planting the fern alongside native wildflowers and shrubs. Containers. Showcase the fern's dramatic form in a pot on a shady patio or porch. With its architectural beauty and easygoing nature, the Western sword fern is a welcome addition to any garden. So, embrace the lush greenery and bring a touch of the Pacific Northwest to your own backyard.